I, the Jester, welcome you to the York Dungeon Walking Tour.
And my name is Smedley. I don't know how to spell it, but that's my name.
Throughout this walking tour, we will bring to life the darkest, most murky, and altogether unpleasant parts of York's history, unleashing some of York's most notorious rogues along the way. We've got an adventure ahead of us, my friends, full of ghostly encounters, tragic deaths, and there will be fun, laughs, games.
Ghostly encounters? I'm scared, Jester. Yet excited.
You'll see places like
Clifford's Tower.
the Castle Jail,
York Minster.
the Shambles, hello, the River Ooze.
Croy.
It's York, Smedley. So come onto our walking tour.
Ta-da! Warning, there might be rain.